Karnataka Digital Public Library website and how to use the same. When you go to Karnataka Digital Public Library, you can browse through the different sections of the kind of books that we have provided and journals. Also, as you can see, there are different zones which are available directly for your quick search and different categories as well. You can browse through the same once you have logged into the system. The website is available in English as well as in Kannada language, and you can browse through the whole collection in that language as well. Let us go ahead and log in and see how the system works. When you click on login, you have to enter your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, the system will take you to your My Account screen. Post that, you can browse through the different sections. For example, when you click on Technology eBooks, I can directly choose Data or Programming as the subcategory or any of the subcategories mentioned here, or I can directly go to the Technology eBooks section. Under this, as you can see on the left side, there are several filters which are available. So this is the product type filter, this is the category filter, a subcategory filter, age group for children books, and different kinds of languages that you can order the books from. Also, for every book, you can read the description as mentioned here. You can click on read more. It will take you to the book detail page where you will be able to read about the overview and the description of the book. Also, what you will learn from that particular book. The author details are mentioned, and if there are any reviews available on Goodreads, the same will reflect here. As a customer, you can also leave a review by clicking on leave a review and post your review online. You can also choose to look inside, where you will be able to read up to the first chapter of the book in this pop-up itself. This will help you in deciding whether you would like to go ahead and read this book or whether this book covers the topics that you are looking to learn. See, you click outside. You can go back to the technology books or the ebook section and you can click on ebooks. Here you have sortings which is available from availability, ratings, publisher, author and the newest items. The default is the newest items. By default we show 12 books on one page. You can select to show more as well. Also there is a list view and a grid view which is available. So when you click on grid view, this is the kind of view you will receive. Now let us add a certain book, say Sell and Grow Rich. I will click on read now since I would like to read this book. I'll click on ebook and I'll say submit. Now this book has been issued to me. Let us also choose one of the audiobooks that are available. So you can go to the audiobook section, click on audiobooks. Let's say Motivation on the Go. I can listen to a sample of this audiobook. Also there is a look inside option available since this book is also available in ebook format. When I click on sample, I can listen to the pop-up. I can listen up to 6 minutes of the audiobooks.
Chapter 1. Find your Harry Potter. I have spent more.
If I want to look inside, I can read up to the first chapter. As for all the ebooks that are available, let us add this book. I'll click on read now. I will select an audiobook format and I'll submit. Once both the books are submitted to my particular queue, I can click on the top, go to my account. Here you can see both the books are available. When I click on read now, it will open in another browser and I can start reading the book. Here I can choose from the index, directly go to a introduction section or the first chapter. So let us go to the introduction section. As you can see, only a certain number of pages are loaded. You can click on this arrow key on the left and the right, or you can click on next page or previous page to browse and the book will load. You can also select the text options, change and choose from different fonts that are available. You can increase or decrease the font size. You can give spacing between the lines and also choose to change the background color. Alignment of the text also can be changed. Likewise, you can do a bookmarking. You can also select a particular word and highlight it for your reference, or you can look at the dictionary meaning of the same, or also you can do a Google image search for the same. This is how you can use the ebook reading section of Karnataka Digital Public Library. Also for the audiobooks, you can click on listen now and it will by default start with the first chapter. You can go ahead and click on the index and select any particular chapter that you would like to read. So,
Chapter 4, Managing Expectations. How can I create a healthy balance between doing my best and being happy and also managing the
so this is how the audiobook platform also works on the Karnataka Digital Public Library.com. Let me show you certain ebooks in Kannada language as well. So I can browse and then I can just do a language selection. I can click on Kannada and you can see that there are certain books which are available here in Kannada language as well. Here also the look inside section will help me read up to the first chapter. As you can see, this book is more of a comic book and imagery in the initial pages, and then the fonts and the text come in. Let's read this book. So I'm going to take read now. I'm going to add the ebook and I'm going to click on submit. I'll go to my account section. I will click on read now. I'll go to the first chapter. Here also I can increase and decrease the font size as I would like to. I can change the backgrounds, I can change the alignment, and I can enjoy the book that I'm reading. Suppose I'd like to know the meaning of this word, I can just click on the dictionary. It will open in another browser. It will give me the meaning of the word. If I'm doing an image search, it will give me the image results of the word. So in this manner, the whole platform will enable you to enjoy the books that you would like to read. Thank you. I hope that you enjoy this particular platform as provided to you by Government of Karnataka. Happy reading.